Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do a dance leap. First, let's prepare our bodies. Start with a dynamic run or a chassé, building up good speed across the floor. This momentum is crucial for a powerful takeoff. Remember to engage your core muscles tightly. This provides the stability and strength needed for the entire movement. Also, pick a spot to focus on, helping you maintain your balance throughout the leap. Now for the powerful takeoff. As you approach, push off the floor with significant force from your back leg. At the same moment, swing your front leg forward and upward, aiming for a high, extended position. Think about reaching for the ceiling with your toes. This coordinated action creates the lift you need, propelling your body into the air with grace and control. Focus on pushing through your entire foot. Once airborne, focus on your midair extension. Fully extend both legs, aiming to create a beautiful split position in the air. Your front leg should be high, and your back leg equally extended behind you. Keep your torso lifted and your arms in a graceful, balanced position, perhaps in a second or fifth position. Hold this peak for a brief, suspended moment, showcasing your full extension and control. Finally, let's talk about the landing. As you descend, land softly on the ball of your front foot, then immediately roll through to your heel. Bend your knees deeply, allowing them to act as shock absorbers, which protects your joints. Keep your core engaged and your posture strong to maintain balance. Finish with a confident, controlled stance, ready for your next movement. A soft landing is key to safety and grace.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.